everyone, this is Rachel from Mission Bin Library, and today's food for thought, we're going to show you how to make cake pops that are just as good as Starbucks. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A white cake made according to the box. Icing. Candy melts. Lollipop sticks. And sprinkles.
Add a cup of icing to the cake. It's best to use your hands to mix the icing with the cake. Pinch off enough of the mixture to make a 1-inch round ball and round it out with your hands. Put the cake ball on a baking sheet and keep adding the additional ones that you make. We'll be putting this into the freezer. If the cake balls are not holding to their shape or they're hard to stay together, you can put the mixture in the freezer for a few minutes and this will help them stick. Puncture each cake ball with the lollipop stick. This will make it easier for when we're doing the final icing, putting the lollipop stick back into the cake ball. Once you're done making cake balls, put the baking sheet into the freezer for 2 hours. Now it's time to melt the candy. Pour 1 bag of the candy melts into a bowl and microwave for 1 minute at half power. If it's not completely melted by then, continue in 30-second intervals until it's completely melted. After 2 hours, take out the cake balls and one at a time repuncture them with the lollipop stick and dip it into the melted mixture. You'll want to cover the entire cake ball, and you might need to use a spoon to get it up near the lollipop stick. Tap off the excess candy melt. Add your sprinkles. Let the cake pop harden either in a holder or you can use a cupcake pan. I did find putting the lollipop stick into the candy melt before putting it into the cake pop helped make it stay together easier. Once the candy shell has hardened, you can take them off of the cupcake holder or the cake pop stand and place them on top of each other.
Alright, so our cake pops are ready to eat. If you're not going to eat them right away, keep them in the refrigerator to help them keep their shape. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!